I want you to follow with me. It says, do not conform to the patterns of this world. Just pause there. Leave it up on the screen. I don't want you to take it away. Not conforming to the patterns of this world. It means don't be like this fallen world. Don't speak like them. Don't follow social media like them. Don't spend your money like them. Don't even speak like them. Don't allow your world to be shaped by the media like them. Don't waste your life doing stupid things like them. Don't be entertained by baseless, senseless things like them. You don't have to raise your children like them. You don't have to have values that are counter to what God's values are for your life. You do not conform to the patterns of this world, this passage says to us. But what does it say? It says, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Do not conform to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. And then this word, then. Once we make this definition that God's will for my life is not to conform to the patterns of this world, then, he says, when you are set apart, when you are different, when you are sacred, when you are dedicated to God himself, then you will be able to test and prove what God's will is. His good, pleasing, and perfect will.